to all of them as thank you. And I hope you lay it all on the damn line.
All right, boys and girls, the Ford Mustang has officially broken the Nürburgring record, and it is the fastest American car out of production line. Let's get into the video. What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers. If you guys are still looking for the Christmas deals, the links are in the bottom. The affiliate links are in the bottom for the X-Cool power bank and the Toso wireless headbuds, which are amazing. I actually use them. They're these right here. They're amazing. You guys can check them out in the bottom. All right, boys and girls. So what is going on? Ford Mustang, the GTD, the $300,000 need an allocation to buy, has officially set the Nürburgring record for the fastest American car. Ford believed it and they achieved it. And you know how much it ran? It ran 6 minutes and 57 seconds, putting it in front of the Dutch Viper ACR by 4.3 seconds. That is a huge spread. Not only that, it competes with the heavy hitters, and that's exactly what Ford wanted. Ford wanted the Mustang GTD to compete with the heavy hitters, including Ferrari, including Porsche, including Lamborghini, and it just did better than the Lamborghini Aventador Super Veloce, the Ferrari 296 GTB, and it matches the Porsche 918 Spider. So let's get into the article real quick here. By the way, guys, the video that's playing up top is the Road to the Ring video. You could actually go to YouTube, to the Ford YouTube channel, and you can check it out there. So let's get into the video, to the article, and it says, the team behind the Mustang GTD took what we've learned from decades on the track and engineer a Mustang that can compete with the world's best supercar, said Farley. We're proud to be the first American automaker with a car that can lap the Nürburgring in under 7 minutes, but we aren't satisfied. We know there's much more time to find with the Mustang GTD, and we'll be back absolutely as your first try, or as your official first try, because they've done it before. They actually achieved it in August 7, so they've been holding it for quite some time now, but as your first official time, you know it could definitely get better. If you also head to the Ford's YouTube channel, you're going to find the video there where it's lapping the track. I'll probably put some clip up here. So let's continue with the article. And it says, it's official, Ford holds the record for the fastest North American production car at the Nürburgring with the Mustang GTD, and it just went 6 minutes and 57 seconds, topping the Dutch Viper ACR by 4.3 seconds. It is the only car from the States to turn a sub 7 minute lap at the famed 12.9 mile in the loop. According to Ford, it's one of the 6 production sports cars globally to break the 7 minute barrier. And the record-setting lap took place around August 7th. So Ford has been quietly concealing the news for quite some time. I get it. They were waiting to release the Road to the King video. Now, you do know that this car is worth $300,000, magnesium wheels, an amazing vehicle. You can see the suspension in the back. I mean, the Mustang GTD has quite become the favorite automotive car for a lot of enthusiasts, people who love Ford, people who don't even love Ford. You're going to need an allocation to buy the vehicle, and at this point, if you haven't got an allocation, it's most likely you're probably not going to buy one unless someone sells their GTD. It is going to cost you $300,000. So, and I think it justifies every single penny of it, because this car is a Mustang on steroid, and it just broke the Nürburgring record at 6 minutes and 57 seconds. That is insane. So Multimatic Motorsports driver Dirk Muller was behind the Mustang's wheels, bringing 2 years of development, testing, and simulation work to a close. On this 14-minute documentary highlights the challenges of running under the 7 minutes of the Nürburgring. So yes, you're obviously going to have to head over and watch the video. I'm going to play a little bit here. But anyways, I think James Farley, which is Jim Farley, which is the CEO of Ford, is very happy. He mentioned it on the video, how there's obviously more to come, as this is just the first try for the Mustang GTD. But obviously, I'm uber excited because under 7 minutes, and it just became the fastest American car. That is insane. Ford believed it, and Ford did it. Not only that, they believe it can't go faster. Anyways, boys, if you guys are rocking with the content, remember to tune in and subscribe. Your boy is out of here. Amazing news for today.